Hi, Tom Pandolfi here from Shoestring to Success. I am going to dive into live streaming and doing more videos. I purchased this product from Logitech, the C920. I'm going to do a quick open box for you to show you what's inside. And going to play around with it, do some live streams. But I just wanted some practice doing an open box and show you some products that I'm going to be using with Shoestring to Success to bring the message of aligning your life with success. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, real quick. You know, this is an older model, but I figured I'd go with it only because it was highly recommended. I could have gotten the 4K version, which is I think it's the Bravo, or B-R-I-O or B-R-O-I, and I forget offhand. But here we have the box. We can just get rid of it. On the side, little instruction pamphlet. Not too much in the box, it looks like. It has how you can hook it up, attached to this little cardboard cutout, packed very well. And I'm looking forward to utilizing it to do live streams, some tutorial videos. I don't think I'm going to mount it to the computer itself. I'm probably going to have it mounted to some type of tripod when I do the videos. But I went with this knowing that it is of decent quality. 1080 I think it is. And 30 frames per second. Seems to be sturdy. Nice little weight to it. I'll be able to mount it. And that's pretty much all that was in the box. The next couple of videos I'll put something together to show you how it is and how I'm going to set it up. But looking forward to doing some live streams for you and different video tutorials and product reviews and things of that nature. And basically I just want to help get a message out there to discuss people to bring success into their lives and how they can align their lives with success the best way, and also tackle it. You know, you don't need mega bucks to get started. You just gotta, you know, go out there and decide to do something, do it. You know, you want to do a podcast, do a podcast. You want to do a blog, do a blog. You want to go and maybe be a dog walker to make extra cash. You know, just do stuff to align your life with success and design the life that you want and live the life that you want. Well, for now, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. I know it's an old product, but I went with it because it was inexpensive and I'm trying to do things on a shoestring budget. I wanted to upgrade the video quality and it was reasonable for me to take this step. And later on you'll know some of the products, services, and tools that I add, and I'll discuss what I do. If you have any questions, leave some comments below. If you have any ideas or you know, you want to let me know what you struggle with in lining your life with success, I'd be glad to hear from you. Again, it's Tom Pandolfi from Shoestring to Success.com.